today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use email list segmentation in MailerLite. Email segmentation is one of the simplest ways to send more relevant messages and get better results from your campaigns. Instead of blasting everyone with the same content, segmentation helps you target specific groups within your list, so each subscriber receives emails that make sense for them. Start by logging into your MailerLite account. When you land on the main dashboard, head to the subscribers section. This is where your entire list lives, and it's the perfect place to build focused segments for upcoming campaigns. Opening this section gives you a clear view of your contacts and the tools you'll use to refine them. Look for the option called Choose a Filter. Click it to open the filter menu. Filters are the rules that define who belongs in your segment. Think of them as conditions you set to divide your audience. You can segment based on activity, demographics, behavior, or other details available in your account, such as whether someone opened recent campaigns, their location if available, or the groups they're a part of. With the filter menu open, choose your filter type. A common and useful option is to segment by group, especially if you already organize subscribers into interest-based groups. After selecting your filter type, pick an operator. The operator controls how the condition works. For example, if you choose group membership, you might set the operator to does not belong to a certain group. That's a quick way to exclude people who aren't relevant for a particular message, keeping your audience tight and purposeful. Next, choose the specific group to include or exclude depending on your operator. As soon as you select it, you'll have a defined segment that matches your criteria. It's a good idea to glance at the preview count to make sure it looks right for your goals. If the audience is too broad or too narrow, adjust your filter or operator until it aligns with your campaign plan. When you're satisfied, click Save as Segment. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Saving it this way creates a reusable audience filter you can apply to future MailerLite campaigns, and it will update automatically as subscribers meet or no longer meet the criteria. You've now created a segmented list in MailerLite. Use it to send more targeted content, improve engagement, and strengthen your overall email performance. Keep refining your segments over time and pair them with tailored subject lines and content for the best results.